Thinking about installing outdoor lights this summer but not sure where to begin? This is our summer kit. This kit will make it super easy to showcase various vibes for different summer events to your potential customers. Let's take a look at what's inside. First off, we've got the C9U filament bulb in warm white, which is designed to look like an old school incandescent bulb, but it's LED, which is far more energy efficient, and plastic, so you don't have to worry about glass breaking. Second, we've got the G50U filament bulb, which have the same benefits as the C9, but with a modern look that will go great on your outdoor patio or in your yard. These pair really well with the metal shades that are included in this kit as well. And both of these lights connect to our E17 socket power cord, which come in the kit as well. Next up, we've got an S14 bulb with two LED filaments mimicking an Edison style bulb. These pair with our E26 festival light stringers, and the two together add ambiance over streets, patios, dance floors, wedding tents, you name it. You could also pair the stringer with the ST64 spiral filament bulb, but you actually might want to pair this one with the E26 socket pendant power cord. This bulb is really unique, so with the two of these together, you can get creative. In this kit, we're also offering a 5-volt battery-powered version of the ST64, which is remote controlled and completely portable. This light also uses the E26 pendant power cord, but you'll need this adapter to safely transform 120 volts in this cord to the light. And the last of the lights in this kit are the Slow Twinkle mini lights. These are lovely for decorating trees, bushes, posts. They're the perfect finishing touch to your summer lighting setup. Other than that, we have a few products that are going to help elevate your lighting setup, like the E26 Mason Jar Pendant Lantern, lawn stakes for illuminating walkways, driveways, and sidewalks, and cable hooks, which will make setting up your lights way easier. And that is the summer kit from Big Star Lights.